Now let's go ahead and import some data into a project report. You can see I am in a drawing that says import data. I'm going to go ahead and open up the data manager here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure I'm switched to the project reports. And I am going to input a list from another drawing. So let me import this. And what I'm going to do is go to the location where I have this file stored at. And I'm going to go ahead and bring in a nozzle list from another drawing that I'd earlier exported. I'm going to OK that this is the one that I want to do, this nozzle list. I'll say OK, and you'll see it has now brought this nozzle list into here. Now, one note to make, if you're doing a CSV file, you can only do an individual node to bring in. So let's just say we had another file that was with a valve, and if it happened to be a CSV, but this one is just a regular one. But this is how you would bring it into an individual node. So we can go ahead and select this list here, then go to import. Go ahead and accept that we'll have the log file made. Go to the location where I have the valve list at. Go ahead and select the valve list and open that up. And you'll see that information is added into the valve list on your data report. Now, perhaps we want to export more than one project report at a time. Let's go ahead and switch from this instrument list view to the project reports, just the project reports in general. We'll go ahead and we'll hit our export tool here. And now we can go here and we can check off only the ones that we want to export. We go ahead and double check where we want to put that. And I'm going to drop these on the desktop as well. And then go ahead and hit save. And notice it's going to be coming out as project reports. And export. And now those have been added to that area. And you've exported multiple project reports here. And remember that export button is only going to become active once you've selected multiple reports to export, as well as chosen a place to export to.